If you are following any of these financial tips, you could be losing thousands. They sound responsible, smart, or even safe, but the truth is, some of the most popular financial advice is quietly destroying your future. Today, I will break down 6 of the worst money myths people still believe, some you've heard from your family, some you've seen online, and some you've probably never even questioned. Let's fix that. Number 1. Pay off your mortgage as fast as possible. This one feels smart, but let's run the numbers. So the average mortgage rate since 2020 is around 3 to 5%. Average stock market return long term is from 7 to 10%. That means that every additional dollar that you pay into your mortgage instead of investing is money that's losing potential. Vanguard study found that homeowners who invested instead of paying extra ended up with 2.5 times more net worth after 20 years. The goal isn't to avoid paying debt, it's to make your money work harder. And sometimes safe move is actually the expensive one. But the next mistake, it tricks you into believing you are disciplined, when in reality you are locking yourself in financial cage. Number 2. Credit cards are evil. Never use them. This myth is still everywhere, but avoiding credit completely is a financial handicap. Used smartly, credit cards can give you cashback and rewards, free travel, purchase protection, and thanks to strong credit score, lower borrowing costs. Experian reported in 2025 that people with 750 plus credit scores save from $80,000 to $120,000 in lifetime interest compared to those with bad scores. No credit history means no financial leverage in the future. The trick: don't fear the credit, master it. But the next myth is even more damaging because it can put you into the biggest financial trap of all. The third one: if it doesn't make money, it's a liability. This one sounds productive, even logical, but it's a mistake. Because, for example, your home, it's not a liability. Your education, it's not a liability. This everything must make money mindset turns your life into profit machine and burns people out. According to Deloitte's Gen Z survey, young workers said that they feel emotionally exhausted from monetizing every part of their lives. So, your hobbies don't need to become side hustles, and your downtime doesn't need to generate income. Money is a tool, not entire identity. So remember, not every valuable thing shows up on the balance sheet. But the next myth is even more dangerous because it tricks you into feeling safe. Number 4. Renting is throwing money away. This is one of the most common myths, but the truth is that renting isn't a waste. Redfin analysis found that in over 50 US cities, renting and investing the difference beat buying a home after factoring mortgage, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Also, renting gives you more flexibility. You can move when your job changes. You won't get any repair bills for the leaking roof, and you won't get any property tax surprises. Buying makes sense if you have a stable job, you can pay 20% down, and you plan to stay for at least 5 to 7 years. But buying just because you feel like rent is waste, that's how people get stuck. Myth number 5. Only invest when the market feels safe. This advice sounds smart, but it can keep you broke. Because the truth is that the market never feels safe. When it crashes, you panic. When it rises, you feel late. In 2008, millions of retail investors pulled out. But then, they missed out on the 300% rebound over the next decade. So the lesson is that if you only invest when it feels comfortable, you will always be behind. The safest time to invest was 10 years ago, but the second safest is when everyone else is scared. And if you would like to see my exact framework for evaluating companies before I invest, you can check out my ebook, first link in the description, Or you can scan this QR code. The next myth feels responsible, but it's quietly destroying your long-term wealth. Number 6. Emergency funds are for broke people. Some influencers on TikTok and YouTube push this nonsense, but it's reckless. Bankrate's 2025 survey showed that 62% of Americans couldn't cover $1,000 emergency with savings. Emergencies don't care about your income. A 3 to 6 month emergency fund gives you something that's priceless, which is time. Time to make smart, calm decisions. Time to avoid selling investments at a loss. And time to not panic when life hits you. Wealth often doesn't start with flashy wins. It actually starts with avoiding dumb mistakes that feel smart. And bad advice sometimes feels smart until your wallet shows the truth. And if you enjoyed this video, watch this one next.